Hello students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss about regarding CMOS and/or invert logic. Okay, so and/or invert is also called as AOI. So that is of and/or invert, CMOS and/or invert logic. Okay, so in this CMOS logic, we are going to connect both PMOS and then NMOS transistors. Right? We are going to connect both PMOS and NMOS transistors. Now we will see and/or invert. So for this, I am taking one of the expression, that is Boolean expression y equal to AB plus CD whole bar. So why I am taking this means, so it is having both and, that is and operation for A and B. Here it is also and operation. So and this one is the or operation. So it is having both and or. So I am taking this expression y equal to AB plus CD whole bar, right? So now we are going to connect CMOS circuit for this expression by using the PMOS and then NMOS transistors. Now you will see that one. So to connect the circuit, okay, to connect the circuit, remember these points, okay. For the AND gate, the PMOS should be connected in parallel, PMOS transistor should be connected in parallel, and NMOS should be connected in series for AND gate. And for a OR gate, so that is the for a OR gate, the PMOS should be connected in series, and for NMOS should be in parallel. So remember this point. So based on this, we will design the CMOS circuit, that is AND or invert circuit for this expression, right? So first thing, the AB is here. The AB is having AND operation because it is the product. No? So AB is having AND operation. So for AB AND operation, so PMOS should be parallel. PMOS should be parallel, and NMOS should be series, right? So now we connect that one. So this one is of PMOS transistors. So A and B. So both are A, B are product now. So that's why A and B are in parallel here. And this one is of VDD, right? So this one is of VDD. So this one is parallel, and NMOS transistor should be series, right? This is for AB inputs. So this one is of parallel, both A and B. It is series connection. That is A and B are in series connection. So this one is of series connection. That is of Q5 and Q7. Here the Q1 and Q2 are connected in parallel, right? So that is for the AB inputs. That is PMOS should be connected in parallel and NMOS should be connected in series, right? Similarly, for C and D inputs are also, it is connected in parallel. Q3 and Q4 are connected in parallel for PMOS transistors, and this one is of NMOS transistor that should be in series. So there is of Q6 and Q8 that are in series, right? So for these CD inputs, the PMOS transistor should be connected in parallel and NMOS should be connected in series. So overall, now connect the PMOS transistors and NMOS transistors separately, right? So these are the PMOS transistors are connected separately. So these are for AB inputs, these are for CD inputs. Here the connection is there, right? So this is for PMOS transistors, right? And NMOS, it is, so this is entire block is for NMOS transistors. So already you know. So pull up network and pull down network. So in pull up network, we are going to connect the PMOS transistors, and NMOS transistors are in pull down network. So this one is of the total figure of AND or invert logic for given expression, that is y equal to AB plus CD whole bar. So this one is of the figure for AND or invert logic. So I'm taking the y equal to AB plus CD whole bar expression. So this one is the total figure. So it is having pull up network. So this entire part is having pull up network, and remaining part is of pull down network. So here connected PMOS transistors. All these are the PMOS transistors. These are all of the NMOS transistors, right? So in this way we can connect by using the AND or invert logic, right? So to explain this entire circuit, already I told you. So remember these points for PMOS transistors. Whenever we apply G equal to 0, that is on. Whenever G equal to gate equal to 1, that will be off, right? So similarly for NMOS transistors also, whenever we apply G equal to gate equal to 0, the NMOS transistor will be off, and G1 equal to G equal to 1, then it will be on. So based on these two conditions, we can get the entire circuit operation also, right? So we are having totally uh, here 4 input variables are there. So totally it is having 16 inputs, sorry, 16 possible conditions, right? For 2 inputs, it is having 4 possible conditions. For 4 input, I have taken, right? For this, we have to take 16 possible conditions. For that, we have to write the truth table. So that can be written with these techniques, right? So based on these two techniques, so we can write the truth table also, right? So that is of AND or invert. So in this way, we can connect the AND or invert for any expression, right? So that is regarding CMOS AND or invert logic, right? So that is a today class. Thank you.